Now let's create this in Kinemaster. So open your Kinemaster application and create a new project. Choose 4:5 ratio for now and add a black background. After adding the background, go to the layer option and add a text layer. So I am adding the lyrics here. So go to the font and choose the font. So after that, increase the size of the text and go to the layer option and effects. So I am adding the breeze effect here. Now let's adjust some settings here. Go to the settings option and keep number of rays to 3. So after that, you can keep the amount between 20 to 25 and same for the line strength. So for now, keep the mode to 4. So after that, scroll down. Now keep the angle value to minimum and similarly speed angle to minimum. So now increase the tool here and similarly increase the blur here and keep the brightness to maximum. So you can see when you move the timeline, the color of the text changes here. So now expand the timeline. So I am keeping here at this position. So now scroll up and change the value here. So I am changing the mode value to 5 for now. So I want this blue color here. So you can keep the speed color to about 80 to 90 here. So after that, scroll up and increase the number of rays to 4 or 5. So I am keeping here 5 and increase the little amount value. So now our glowing text is ready. Now go to the capture option and capture and save the image. So after that, go to the text option again and edit the text and write another lyrics here. So I'm adding another lyrics here. So after that, capture the image again. So you have to do this process again and again to create all the lyrics here. So I am creating here similarly. So I have skipped some process here because the video will be too long. So after creating all the lyrics, delete this effect here. So I am deleting the text layer also. Now delete the background also. Now go to the media and add the capture image here. So I am adding all the capture lyrics here. Now go to the layer option and media option and I am going to extract audio from the video. So add the video and extract the audio and delete the video. So I am expanding the timeline here. So after that, listen to the music and adjust the lyrics. So I am adjusting here. I am adjusting the lyrics according to the music. So you have to also adjust similarly. So I will fast forward the video for now. After adjusting the lyrics, select the media and go to the clip graphics option and you can find there is in animation. So select the in animation. So to download the in animation, go to store and you can find the in animation here. So we are going to use the animation that has 2 arrows. So I am using this 40 for now. So you can decrease the length of the clip graphics here. So I am decreasing little. Now select the second one and go to clip graphics option again and add the in animation clip graphics here again. Now I am adding 28 number clip graphics here. So you have to follow this process again and again for all the lyrics here. So to make the video short, I am fast forwarding the video for now. After adding animation, now export the video. After exporting, now go back and create a new project again and choose 4:5 ratio. Now add a background image here. So I will give the link of this image in the description. So I am making the length here about 17 seconds here. Now adjust the background here. I am using pan and zoom option to adjust the background here. So after that, go to the layer option and add the exported video here. So fit the video to screen. Now select the video and go to the blending option. Now choose the blending option to screen. So you can see our video look like this for now. As you can see that our background is bright, so I am going to do some adjustment to the background here. So I am adjusting here according to my need. So now after doing the adjustment, go to the layer option and media option and add this raindrop overlay. So I will give the link of this overlay in the description. So after that, select the overlay and go to the blending option and choose the blending option to screen. So you can see that our video is ready now. So now let's export the video. So if you like my content, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So if you want to learn more strategy related editing, then check the playlist on the right and you can check our latest video on the left. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.